When I am in the water, I feel something extraordinary.
Khadjou Sambe's passion for surfing led her to become Senegal's first female professional surfer. It all started when she would go kayaking off the coast of Dakar, in her native Ngor, a fishing village in the Senegalese capital.
I would always see people go surfing and I told myself, but where are the girls who surf? I thought, why don't I go surfing? Represent my country, represent Africa, represent Senegal as a black girl, as a girl.
In a region where women are expected to get married and stay at home, it took work to break with tradition. Her family held her back from surfing for 2.5 years. After being discovered by Rhonda Harper, founder of the US-based Black Girls Surf, Sambe went to California in 2018 to train. She arrived without a cent in her pocket, speaking no English, and with a wild, free surf style that needed taming for competitions. Rhonda Harper.
It's like trying to take a tornado, right, and put a rope around it and wrangle that thing down, because she's such a dynamic surfer that it's hard.
Sambe is now training young girls to surf at a camp on Yoff Beach.
What I say to the young girls who start surfing is that I always advise them not to listen to other people, to block their ears, concentrate, go ahead, focus on their training, not listen to others, because I went through this myself with people talking and I stopped surfing.
Black Girls Surf have set up 4 schools in Africa, in Ghana, Liberia, Senegal and Sierra Leone. They're working on a 5th one in Ivory Coast. Sambe is looking forward to competing in the Tokyo Olympics until they were postponed. She says she will keep training for the Games and never give up on her dream.